Just a little off the top.
Yeah, so here's the thing. Because of the undercut, when I grow it out, it like gets all poofy and sticks out the side a lot, right?
Sure.
So yeah, I guess I just want to be able to grow it out with that happening.
Right.
Yeah.
So the idea behind this is your top,
Yeah.
you know, look at the monitor, your top is significantly longer than your sides.
Yeah.
Right? Because when we cut it last, or when we cut it for the undercut, we left the top longer.
Mm-hmm.
This is just a grown out version of that.
Mm-hmm.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep this length and basically just balance out this super long top part.
Okay.
So that you can continue to grow it out. So you'll still be able to push it forward and get all this, but rather than it just being like hangy here, there's actually gonna be some like fucking shape to it.
Yeah, yeah, I like that. Okay.
Cool. Looking up best Catan strategies, church.
Church.
Yep.
What are you doing for Halloween?
No plans.
Oh, yes you do.
Oh, what are we doing?
Ben and Devin's Halloween birthday bash.
Oh shit.
Same as last time we went church, but this time when a girl's like clearly into you, you're not just gonna go, okay, nice meeting you, bye. You're gonna get her fucking number.
You can have my room.
Oh my god. No. Are you going to the party?
Yeah, so of course.
Nice. So we're all going to be going to this cool party.
Cool party for sure.
Yeah.
Don't call it that. Like,
Yeah,
say it. Don't
I don't
say
go
it,
to
call
any
it
parties.
cool
Okay, so
party.
any party I go to is
when-
automatically cool.
When we show up, don't go, thank you for inviting me to your cool party.
Yeah. This is a really cool party. Thanks for inviting me. You don't want to do that,
Don't
Oh,
say
okay,
that.
okay. I was gonna.
right, church?
Okay.
You promise us you're not gonna say that?
I'll try my best.
Absolutely wasted.
I was saying that, like, I mean, I don't usually do that.
Like losing touch. You're present, you can talk. Like
Like nature-y, kind of like quiet, work well in an environment that is a little bit
yeah, definitely
both
can.
ways.
Yeah.
Agree, like,
It would just be
Fucked up.
while you're in a place with a bunch of other people.
Sensory overload, just like
Yeah.
Oh.
unless I do the extremely undersized Spider-Man.
Oh my god, dude. If you showed up with that fucking costume,
So funny.
that would be legendary.
We'll see how it fits. Hilariously small on me.
Right.
But I think it is. The Eastman.
That was legendary for sure.
It is.
Yeah.
Green screen and everything. We're doing like cuts and nowhere shit.
I think we make it pretty funny. If we just did like a bear came up that we researched, like. And I also look like Johnny Depp.
Wow.
Hey, Ben and Devin.
Hey, thanks for having me. Eh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They do it all the time.
Because party every year.
Does she want to do that? In the corner of the party? Yeah. Chuck.
It's not tomorrow.
Civil war within the USA, pushing us to our limit, so that we can all this country in the news and reach mass. This is all the hope pillars off using economic suffering is not. We have to work together, not blame. But the black men, I think our gang need to do.
That I'll be able to.
Maybe like. That's funny.
Is this curl cream?
This is curl cream. You've got this beautiful natural movement to your hair, and I just want to pick something that really just accentuates that, you know? It's like just so beautiful. That's what my fucking coworker sounded like. Nice. Can you see it? From this
not
angle,
really.
it's the Justin Trudeau.
Oh fuck yeah.
Like big time JT. Mr. Trudeau, Mr. Trudeau.
All right.
All right, calm down, everybody.
Calm down, everybody. Wow, that is great looking hair.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good.
Good showered. Wow.
A little Matt Bomer action going there. You know Matt Bomer?
No, but that looks good. Who's Matt Bomer?
I'll show you a picture.
What does he do?
He's an actor.
Oh.
Gay actor.
Oh.
I mean, it looks fine.
Mhm.
Oh, okay, I like that. I like that a lot. It's okay. Matt Bomer really fucking sends that forward. He's got a really high hairline too.
I used to be scared of flying.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Who is that?
Who is this guy?
Is that Clark
Damn.
Kent? Is that Clark Kent? Look at
Damn.
this. Step up in the light. Yeah. No, you look great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not about you.
Yeah. Wow. So cool.
Chopped it right down.
Wow. Like, look at the movement.
Oh,
Oh,
watch it,
shit.
It looks like he's running in the air currently.
Yeah. It looks like your head. It looks like you're constantly running and like
Wow.
really fast.
Really fast.
Wow.
Wonderful.
Give you one like spin, I guess. I don't know. Look in the eyes as you pass. Oh, surprise! Gotcha! You're on the new prank show. Get Justin Trudeau'd. You just got Trudeau'd.
Please, Canadians are in trouble.
I want to hear you struggle to remember how to speak French.
Hairstylist, your cut is good for me, and the hair, it is.
Like really tall. Okay, go for like a little spin. Okay, whoa. Keep your head like a golf swing. Yeah. Other side. Yeah. Stay there. Hold it. Stick it. Oh my lord. Wow.